Hi, I am Yuri.
Hi, I am Julia.
We are Travel in Pink. Our mission is to show you the authentic spirit of Europe. We travel, we experience, we explore. We shoot fantastic air drone videos of every destination on our way to help you plan your next adventure. We believe that Europe's history, culture and nature form an inseparable bond.
The European vibe that needs to be discovered and experienced. Our destinations combine the most precious form of human civilization and the most spectacular natural wonders.
Off we go among the ancient fortresses, medieval castles, forests and waterfalls.
We want to show you Europe as we see it. Full of adventures, delicate, superb and magnificent.
We want to share this adventure with you, to let you know all about the hidden gems we discovered, to take you to the best hotels, local restaurants and unusual accommodations. So let's travel in Europe together, in pink. Stay tuned, like, subscribe and follow us on social media to hear about our latest adventures. Learn the most valuable tips on planning your next trip. So don't forget, like,
Subscribe
ring the bell
and follow us on social media.